Magic English welcome you. Connect 6 Unit 3 Lesson 3 Part 2.
قناة ماجيك إنجلش ترحب بكم وسنستمع للدرس الثالث الجزء الثاني الوحدة الثالثة من منهج كونكت 6.
How does a roller coaster work? A roller coaster doesn't have an engine because it doesn't need one. Roller coasters use the force of one gas, gravity, to move, plus two types of energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. At the start of the ride to a person, an electric motor pushes the cars up to the top of the first hill on the track. During this part of the ride, lots of free kinetic, potential energy builds up in the cars. When gravity starts to pull the heavy cars down the other side of the hill, the potential energy force stored moving in them is released as kinetic energy. This process of repeated energy transfer between potential energy and kinetic energy is what makes a roller coaster travel up and down on its track. When the roller coaster arrives at the top bottom of a hill, it has its greatest amount of potential energy and its least amount of kinetic energy because it isn't moving. When it is halfway down the hill, the amounts of potential and kinetic energy are equal. When it arrives at the top bottom of the hill and is moving at its maximum speed, it has its greatest amount of kinetic energy and its least amount of potential energy. The exact amount of kinetic energy in an object depends on its speed and mass.
شكرا على المشاهدة. ارجو الاشتراك في القناة ليصلك كل جديد ولنستمر في النشر.